Now, how do you enable touch pointer in Android? Let's get started. So at first, what we need to do is to have some sort of accessory or a device to control it, right? So you can connect a mouse or a trackpad. It might be over Bluetooth or even using a cable. But at first, you have to have that set up in order to actually be able to use it, right, on your Android device, of course. So then once you have it connected, let's say it is a trackpad or something, what you need to do is to open up the settings and manage it right here. So you can get inside, tap on the general management, and there you can find the mouse and a trackpad section. This gives you the ability to manage the pointer speed, the wheel scrolling speed if the mouse or whatever accessory has that, and also some other things like the size and control. So you can also tweak that and see in real time what it would look like. So it is very useful in that sense. And yes, it has to be set up in that proper way to get the most out of it. Naturally, you also have the mouse button clicks and some middle button, additional buttons, and things which you can set up for some professional mice which you might have or you might want to be connecting to your phone. So it is very simple because it's all in one place, and this is how you can customize it. So that's how you can enable it or how you can use it. Most definitely let me know below in the comments if there are some specific things you have in mind. Go ahead and let me know about that. Subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you later in the future.